Oh, okay. Actually, Suzanne will be, let's do it. Will be coming on to handle that 10:30. So Mr. Padilla and others can come on. Good morning. This is Judge Elisa Bettis resuming the civil docket for the 210th District Court for May 31st, 2023. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Marufa, would you call our next case, please?
Third one on page 2, Judge.
Mhm.
In cause number 2022 DCV 3702, Maria G. Casillas versus JPMorgan Chase Bank, National Association, JPMorgan Chase and Company. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Valdez for the plaintiff.
Good morning, Mr. Valdez. See
Good
you.
morning. Go ahead, sorry.
Go ahead, Mr. Johnson. Sorry, I wasn't looking.
Good morning, Your Honor. Douglas Johnson for JPMorgan Chase Bank.
Okay, good morning. I have us down for a status conference. I was just pulling the case up on Odyssey. I see there is a motion to stay pending arbitration. I'm just opening that now. Is that what you all are doing?
Yes, Your Honor. It's a joint motion. It's agreed to. I believe we submitted the order, I think just recently last week. So,
I don't believe I've seen that. Ms. Juarez, have you, or Mr. Dominguez, have you all seen anything like that? And the reason I asked Mr. Valdez is because sometimes we've had some folks out and have had sub coverage. And so I would just say, send it to me again, send it to Mr. Hernandez again. So if I haven't seen it, I have it handy. And we'll just stay proceedings until we hear back from you all.
Perfect. We'll get that over to you right away, Your Honor.
Thank you, gentlemen. If you don't have anything else, you all are excused.
Thank you.
Nothing else on our end.
Take care.
Thank you,
Good to
Your
see you,
Honor.
Mr. Valdez.
Good seeing you. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Be the next one, Judge. In cause number 2022 DCV 3752, Progressive County Mutual Insurance Company versus Jose Sanchez. Announcement of council, please.
Let's hold on. Mr. Sanchez is still connecting to audio.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Sanchez, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a video? Okay, thank you very much. Good morning. Go ahead. May I have announcements?
Good morning, Your Honor. Gigi Matar here on behalf of Progressive.
So the audio is breaking up quite a bit. Can we have those announcements again?
Of course. Gigi Matar here with Progressive.
Mr. Sanchez, can you announce, please?
Jose Sanchez.
Thank you very much. I have a schedule today for a status conference. Looking at Odyssey, I do see plaintiff's motion to abate. Mr. Sanchez, did you receive that?
I'm not sure, ma'am. I don't believe I did. I'm not sure what that is.
It looks like it was filed on May 3rd. Ms. Matard, have you all provided that to Mr. Sanchez?
It looks like we probably would have sent it to his address, but the reason we filed it is that our understanding is that he's deployed. So we may not have a correct address for where he is right now.
Understood. Mr. Sanchez, do you have an email address that you can access?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you able, there is a chat function. Are you able to put that, or Ms. Matard, do you have that?
It doesn't look like we have that, no, Your Honor. It looks like we just have an address in El Paso.
Okay. Mr. Sanchez, if you're able to, if not, if you can just say it, sometimes it's easier if you type it out, but if you're on a telephone, a cell phone, that sometimes is difficult. Do you have an email address?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
It's JOSE period 1394 at hotmail.com.
Perfect, okay.
Did you get that, Ms. Matar?
Yes.
If you would
Jose.
please forward the document. Obviously, you are deployed, Mr. Sanchez.
No, ma'am, I'm not.
Okay.
From our end, Your Honor, it just looks like he came up as active duty when we ran our military search on him. Which obviously I can't speak to his accuracy, but just that's the information that we last had, which is why we filed this motion.
Okay, what do you want to do, Ms. Matar?
Mr. Sanchez, are you actively in active duty right now?
Yes, ma'am, I'm still active duty. My unit is deployed, so that might be where the confusion is. I'm just not forward down deployed.
So we were only set today for a status conference. We were not set on that motion for abatement.
Okay.
I'm happy to give you another status conference in about 30 days. Unless you want to set that for hearing or you want to speak with Mr. Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, I don't know to what extent. No, you were served back in February. So why don't we reset this for 30 days? If someone is urging some other course, then let us know ahead of time. Mr. Sanchez, so you know, with any future settings, including the one that will happen in 30 days, this is the way that we are doing things on Zoom. So do you have our court information as well, like the phone number, things like that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Juarez, if you will include that in the chat, I can tell you it's, I think, 915-546-2130. This is the 210th District Court. Ms. Matar, if you will forward the motion for abatement to Mr. Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, you can get all the details about how to log in for the next hearing, including the next setting when you contact the court. But we do have your email, so we can send it there as well. But we're going to come back in 30 days on a status.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Alrighty.
That's perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Who's next?
Then on page 2, Judge, in cause number 2022 DCV 3584, Ebony Marshall individually et al. Versus Brian Valdivicio and Olivia Lasso. Announcement of counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bobby Ramos on behalf of plaintiffs.
Good morning, Judge. Christina McLaughlin covering for Mrs. Ritchie for the defendants.
And Your Honor, is Amado Montoya on behalf of Olivia Lazo for defendant.
Okay. Excuse me, we're set for a scheduling status conference. Do you all need a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor. We've exchanged written discovery on this case. We have plaintiff Ebony Marshall's deposition set for July 5th. That's all we have right now. So I think it might be best if we do get a trial setting just to get things going a little bit more.
Okay, so I'm at a year out. We're looking at, wow, it's funny, 2023 and 2024 are the same. May 31st of 2024, that's a Friday. You'll get your docket call on May 29th. Any problem with that? Too far down, too short? Any conflicts? Anybody know what they're doing on May 31st, 2024, and then tell me that that's not a good date?
No, looks like we're going to be in trial May 31st with you, Your Honor.
That works for defense, Your Honor.
Who's your mediator? Have you?
I don't think we've had one yet, but I think we could come to an agreement.
Please agree to one. If not, the court will select one and include it on the scheduling order, which is due in 2 weeks. We'll have that entry of scheduling order hearing set in 2 weeks. Canceled if you have it returned to us in time, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else?
Nothing further from plaintiffs, Your Honor.
Nothing from defense, Your Honor.
Nothing else, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. If you need hearings outside of those dates, please submit your pleading with your request for hearing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If you don't have anything else, you're excused. Who's next?
Judge, top of page 2, I have Mr. Jessup here,
Mhm.
but I couldn't get a hold of Mr. Michael Alvarez. I don't know if he was going to show or not.
Let's see, 3252. Mr. Jessup, do you know anything? Where Mr. I mean, I'm sure you know a lot, but
Yeah, Judge, no, I spoke to Mr. Alvarez on this one about a month ago. I hadn't spoken to him before this hearing. We've been in contact. It's a settled case. We've been in contact with his office on the status of the UMC lien, and drafting instructions, Judge. We haven't, the last I heard, he was negotiating that, Judge.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask, do you have something else, Mr. Jessup? I'm gonna ask you to stick around for a little bit, see if we can't track down Mr. Alvarez.
No, that's fine, Judge. I have a 11 o'clock hearing, so that's fine.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem, Judge.
Okay, who's next?
Bottom of page 2, Judge,
Mhm.
in cause number 2023, DCV 1008, Gladys Bautista et al. Versus Progressive County Mutual Insurance Company. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. David Glasheen for the plaintiffs.
Morning.
Randy Grambling on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Good morning, gentlemen. We're here for a scheduling status conference. Do y'all need a May 2024 trial date?
I would like an earlier date if available, Your Honor.
Mr. Grambling?
It 2024, I guess, we're all subject to other trials, I guess, February, March, or April. If
Okay, we can do something like that. Let me see. Give me 1 second.
Probably either March or April, Your Honor, because February always seems to have a lot of stuff going on.
Okay, let me go to the calendar. I'm gonna give you March 15th. Is that right? Do I have that right? March 15, 2024, docket column the 13th. Have you all discussed an agreed mediator?
Not yet, but I will work with Mr. Glasheen on whoever he wants to use. There are typically 3 that we use out here, and whoever he prefers.
Sure. If you just include it on the scheduling order, so, and return it within the 2 weeks. Any issues, Mr. Glasheen? I think you may have been looking at your calendar, so I just want to make sure that we didn't have any issue with that.
Your Honor, that date will be fine. Thank you.
Okay, so let's get the scheduling order returned and we'll take care of it, get you your dates. If you need something outside of those dates, request your hearing with your pleading via email. Thank you.
May I just clarify that the 15th is the day of jury selection, and then what
That's
was
correct.
what was the pretrial date, Your Honor?
So the docket call will be on the 13th, and then it's about 30 days before that. Let me look really quickly. So we're probably looking at February 14th, I'm thinking, for a final civil pretrial, which means the mediation deadline is going to be the 13th. I think that's how the dates are gonna, if I'm going backwards, how they're gonna fall. Okay,
Very good. Thank you, ma'am.